In this video, I'll show you how to build a full app with Lovable without writing code. First, open your browser and go to the Lovable website. Sign into your account and create a new project. Next, describe the app you want to build in the prompt box. Explain the purpose of the app, the features you need, the type of users, and the design style you want. The more details you provide, the better Lovable can generate your application. Now, click the Generate button and wait while Lovable creates your app. It will generate the pages, layout, and main functionality based on your description. After that, test your app and explore the different features. Use the chat area to ask Lovable to make changes, add new pages, improve the design, or create additional features. Next, connect services like a database, user authentication, or other integrations if your app needs them. Lovable can help you set up these features through simple instructions. Finally, review your complete app, make any final adjustments, and publish it when everything is ready. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a full app with Lovable without writing code. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.